Hi, I'm Jeremias Leptadley. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to determine the condition of a dry cell using a multimeter. So now we have here two batteries. Each one of them is good and bad batteries. So in order to determine which one of them is good and bad, we're going to use a multi-tester. The multi-tester that I'm going to use is the analog. So first, make sure that your range selectors point to the volts, which is DCV, direct current voltage, and I choose 10 because this is the nearest of my voltage, which is 3 volts, and 10 is the lowest of the range of DCV. So next, we're going to get this, put the tip of the red test probe to the positive battery, and so on with the black test probe. So now our reading is 3 volts right here, 3 volts. So this is good battery. So the other one, same process of the first. So put the tip of the red test probe to the positive battery and the black to the negative, and as you can see, no matter how I do, the pointer or the needle won't work or run. So this means that this battery is bad. So that's all. I hope you have learned something.